Today, I want to show you how to use Playground AI. If you also want to make images like the ones the community has made, then stick with this video. You'll find a link to this website in the video description. Just use your login information to get to this page. Here, you can see that the community has made many images using AI. You'll find lots of results here. Then, you'll see a bar at the top where you can specify whose images you want to use to generate your own image. For example, there's a section for animals. When you open it, you'll see images of all kinds of animals. Look, these are all pictures of different animals. Keep scrolling, and you'll see many more images. Now, let's move on to the fashion section. Everything here is organized according to fashion. Look, this is the fashion section. All the images here are related to fashion. On this platform, you can generate 500 or more images in one day, and some of it is free. Let's keep going. To generate images, you'll find the Create option in the upper right corner. Click on it, and a format will open up in a short amount of time. You can put in some text, and it will be used to create an image. Let us first explore all its features. Firstly, if we look here, you'll find that bold means generating an image from text, while canvas means creating images from images. Moving below, it inquires of you which filter you wish to use for image generation. You can choose any filter that suits your image. After choosing, you'll find a prompt where you can write text to generate the image. Come further down, and here you can exclude elements from the image. This is where you specify negative prompts that you do not want in your image. Afterwards, as you go further down, you can insert the kind of image you desire. If you want to insert an image, then do so. If not, you can skip it. It's your choice. This concludes the left side tour. Now, let's see what options you have. Here, it asks which model you want to use for image generation. Let's select a model. I suggest, as a beginner, you choose Stable Diffusion 1.5. After selecting it, if you come down here, you can choose the width and length you desire. I am selecting square dimensions for this. Then, if you go further down, here you select how many images you want to generate related to one text. I am selecting 3, which means it will show me 3 different images for one text. If you come further down, you must click the Private button. This ensures that the images you create remain limited to you. That concludes the tour of both sides of this layout. Let's proceed to generate the image. For this, first, we must write some text. Here's our text. After writing the text, here you just need to press Ctrl plus Enter, and the image generation process will begin. In my opinion, this should not take much time. It should generate in a short while. There you go. Your images have been generated. These are the results based on the text I had written. It shows a dragon breathing fire on a mountain, and the picture is quite realistic. If you wish to download any image from these, you need only to bring your cursor over the image. Then, click on this button. After clicking, your image shall download shortly. There you have it. That was the tour of the Playground AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.